Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Summer is here, and what better way to beat the heat than with a refreshing and delicious matka kulfi. Today I am going to show you how to make this traditional Indian dessert in just a few simple steps. First we need to gather our ingredient. We will need milk, sugar, cardamom and custard powder, saffron and some chopped nuts for garnishing. So guys, next we heat the milk in a heavy bottom pan and let it shimmer until it reduces to half its original volume. Then we add the sugar and cardamom powder, custard powder and saffron and continue to shimmer until it thickness and become creamy. Now comes the fun parts. We pour the mixture into a small earthen pot or mold and freezer them for a few hours. Once our matka kulfis are frozen, we can garnish them with some chopped nuts like almond and pistachio. And there you have it, a delicious and refreshing matka kulfi that is perfect for hot summer days. Trust me, your family and friends will love it. So why not give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment below how it turned out for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes. Till then, bye, take care guys, and thank you.